KDS stands for Kitchen Display System. You can see these in fast food restaurants all over the world. They are intended to replace the typical kitchen printer and over the long term, replace the need to purchase ink ribbons and replacement paper. However, KDS options are typically much more expensive up front. Lavu offers two KDS solutions. Lavu KDS is a free app that can be downloaded onto any iPad. The free version has certain features locked, including tile layout, that are unlocked when paying a subscription service for Lavu KDS Premium. Lavu can sell the additional iPad needed to run Lavu KDS, as well as the mounting hardware to mount the iPad to a wall in the kitchen. The other solution is Epson KDS, a much more expensive but more feature-rich option. Epson KDS runs off of these modules. They have the same interface as an Epson intelligent printer, so they could be thought of as digital printers. The module is plugged into power and the customer's network, just like a normal printer would. A display is connected to the module using a VGA cable. The monitor itself must also have a VGA port on it. Converters or adapters to the more modern HDMI port are not currently supported by Epson. Finally, a USB cable is connected to the module to connect the device to a bump bar. This is how the customers will interact with orders on the screen. There are displays that we sell from Evo that offer touch functionality, removing the need for a bump bar. These touchscreens, however, are typically more expensive and harder to keep clean in a kitchen environment. For each additional screen a customer wants to add to Lavu KDS, they simply need to buy an additional iPad. For Epson KDS, a customer will need an additional KDS module, display, and bump bar. Epson KDS can be a much more expensive option, but there are more features included that Lavu KDS simply does not have. This includes a built-in expediter functionality and customizable colors for your background and text. Customers who are considering purchasing an Epson KDS should also be made aware that it's recommended to have a Windows laptop or computer at the restaurant. Currently, Epson's only way for making changes to the KDS is through a Windows program.